Hey everybody, Jason Worley here with Wehrly Custom Fab. What we've got here is an L5P Duramax long block outfitted with our Exergy Performance Bosch Motorsports ECU with custom turnkey wire harness. So if you ever have any interest in putting a Duramax or a Cummins common rail diesel in your swap project or truck puller or drag racer, this is a turnkey setup here. Comes with everything you need as far as wire harness and the ECU, power switches, and optional data logging features. If you're coming out to UCC this weekend, you can check it out. We're going to have it on display, be able to fire it up and give it a couple revs. This engine's outfitted with our prototype S400 single turbo setup, as well as a 12mm CP3 pump with our conversion kit, replacing the HP4 pump with the CP3 counterpart. Also has our 2-inch heavy-duty stainless steel up pipes